Hello, my lovely student. I'm Asma, I'm English teacher, and today I will give you a lesson. It's simple present tense. What do you do every day?
You wake up, you brush your teeth or have bath, eat your breakfast, you drink your milk or water, walk to your school, run, read a book, write some article, and also dance.
For present simple tense, in usual, it's come subject plus verb plus object and also the rest of the sentence. For example, we know from our past lesson, the subject is I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. This is the subject. And after the subject, it's the verb. Okay. For example, when we want to use simple present tense, the first situation we can talk or we can use simple present tense when we need to talk, we can use it when we talk about the facts. Do you know about facts? It's general facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. And the second situation may be about habits or something daily routine. You make it every day, every day. I woke up every day, every morning at 7 o'clock. This is your habit. Or, for example, I drink coffee every morning. This is also habit. So we use simple present. Third, when we have deadline or timeline. For example, the train arrives at 9 o'clock. We cannot change the time. So we have deadline, we have a line, so we can walk about this. And for the fourth thing or the fourth situation, it's about scientific facts. So, for example, the water boils at 100 degrees. This is facts and scientific facts. We cannot change this because it's true. And the water frozen at 0 degrees. This is also facts. So, here's we have subject, after that verb, object, and also the rest of the sentence. We have things. I will write sentence for every subject, but also we have something with he, she, it, because the verb it doesn't come alone. We have to put s for the verb. I will write the example and I will make it. This is sentence from present simple. I don't like meat. You read books always. We like cold weather. They play football. He like dance. Look at me. Here's when. 3 subject came. He, she, and it. We put to the verb s. He likes dance. She studies French. It opens at 7 o'clock. For example, it's a bank or something like this. So, this is sentence about the present simple tense. And also, if I want to make it negative sentence, in English we use to. It's not. Right? And here, if we want to make negative sentence, we have to use do or does. Do and does. And here we can use don't or doesn't. Okay, do not, does not. So don't or doesn't. This is for negative. This is for negative sentence. For example, here we have an example about this. I don't like meat. Here we have subject take do and also subjects take does. I, you, we, they take do. And also he, she, it, they take does. For example, if I want to make this word is this sentence, we have to make it, for example, for negative. Okay, here's we have affirmative sentence. Okay, for example, here's we have affirmative sentence. She studies French. Right. It's affirmative sentence. She studies French. Okay. If I want to change it to the negative sentence, how we can do it? Right. We use does and also not. So we use doesn't. Okay. Now, if I will write it under this sentence, I will show you how the sentence it will be. Here's she, we add doesn't, she doesn't study. Look at this, we delete the S here. So, because doesn't, it's enough for this sentence. So, she doesn't study French. This is negative. Because affirmative, she studies French. And in the negative, she doesn't study French. Thank you. Okay, now, if you want to question, if I want to ask you a question in simple present tense, we use do, also does. For the question, do, it's come with this subject, I, you, we, they, and also does come with this subject, he, she, and it. For example, if I want to change this word, this sentence, to the questions, how I can change it? You read books always. Always. You read books always. If I want to ask you, how I can change it? So I will use do. Do you read books always? Do you read books always? And also, we add do. And this is come small. Do you read books always? For example, and also if I want to ask something about does, to use does. For example, he likes dance. He likes dance. I want to ask, does he like dance? Does he like dance? Okay, now let's practicing together. Here's I have sentence, and also we have to choose the correct answer. The first sentence, she usually drinks coffee in the morning. What we can choose? Drinks. Very good. The second sentence, my friends going to school by bike. Go. Good. Third sentence, the train leaves or leaving at 8 o'clock every day. Leaves. Leaves. Very good. It eats and it leaves. Okay, and here you go. Drinks. Very good. The last sentence. Your sister like tea?
Does your sister like tea?
Very good. Here in the fourth sentence we use does. Does your sister like tea? What about you? Do you like coffee or tea? Now, my beautiful kids, listen to this song. It's very useful for you.
What do you do? I brush
My hair. What do you do?
I sit on a chair.
What does she do?
She drinks her juice. What
Does he do?
He ties his shoes. What do? They run and play. What do? We learn each day. The dog barks, the cat sleeps, the baby laughs. The clock beeps, beeps. jump, I draw. You sing, you clap, you say, hurrah. He walks, she talks, they ride a bike. We learn English, it's what we like.
Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.